You name it, we have it. Only here at Thumbs Up. Information and communication technology as it affects our lives. And solutions it offers as it simplifies. I'm your IT buddy, Engineer Anthony Baisa, and my job is to open the gates of IT. Meron tayong dalawang klaseng digital camera. Yung una, ito yung pinakasimple. Ang simple ay magagamit ng lahat, halos lahat sa atin. Which is yung mga tinatawag nating point and shoot. Maraming advantages ang point and shoot camera. Number one, napaka-portable nito. Pwedeng mong ilagay sa bulsa at sa shoulder bag ng mga kababaihan. Pangalawa, mas mura ito di hamak sa mga professional camera natin na tinatawag natin mga SLR camera. Pangatlo, napaka-simple i-operate dahil point and shoot siya. Just point, then shoot right away. Pang-apat, pwede nating ma-review right away yung mga images na nakukuha natin. Kapag hindi natin nagustuhan, pwedeng i-delete. Or, pwede nating i-retake kaagad. Pang-lima naman, kung gusto nyo talagang mas maramihan na makuhang imahe nang hindi kayo nagdi-delete, pwede nyong lagyan ng mga external or expandable memory card. Since support na rin naman ang pinag-uusapan, huwag natin titipirin yung paglalagyan natin. Ibig sabihin, itong mga storage media natin, habang dumadami yung mga gamit nating pinoproteksyonan, ito ay may halaga rin. Kailangan proteksyonan natin yung mga investment natin. Ilagay natin sa mas secured or mas siguradong lalagyan na kahit na saan tayo pumunta, mag-travel man tayo dito sa Pilipinas or abroad, i-check-in mo man yung gamit natin, kahit na madaganan yan, meron siyang protection.
Pag pumunta akong bodega site, meron ba akong mula sa pinakang mura hanggang sa pinakang high-tech na cellphone?
Siyempre, it serves the purpose again. Depende kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Sa bodega site, simula kay simpleng Juan de la Cruz hanggang kay pinakamagandang Juana de la Cruz.
Ito, pinakasimpleng Juan de la Cruz na ganun ang phone. Hindi kayo maniniwala, Anthony Baisa, yan ang phone. Hanggang sa pinakang high-tech nandito.
Well, yung cellphone ko kasi, it serves the purpose to call and text.
Oo. Pero a lot of people will evolve the use of the cellphone into something else, no?
Tulad ng pinag-usapan natin last week about the tablets, marami ng cellphone ang dumikit sa level ng mga tablets natin.
Like, anong meron sa cellphone therefore?
So, pwede ka na rin magkaroon ng mga browsing through internet. Pwede ka na mag-upload at mag-upgrade ng mga emails sa using your tablet, cellphone.
The social media.
Social media. At the same time, syempre, hindi ka na limited dun sa mga keypad-based lang. Meron na rin tayo mga full screen touchscreen na cellphone. Nagkaroon ng solution ngayon ang partner natin from Epson. They uses the continuous ink system.
Okay, how
So, that is the most familiar or common use ng mga nagtitipid nating kababayan. Yung kino-convert nila yung typical printer nila into having CIS.
Okay.
Yung tinatawag na CIS or yung may tangke sa gilid.
Oo, which is nakakasira, di ba?
Yes, because we are re-engineering the system of the printer. But right now, genuine from the box, out from the box, naka-convert na yung printer natin. And it covers by the warranty of the manufacturer. That's the most important thing, the protection of your item na binili. Because if you convert, you will void the warranty. Kung sakasakali pong may masisira sa mga IT gadgets na binili natin, bago maging huli ang lahat, dalhin natin kaagad sa service center. Huwag natin papatagalin dahil kapag lumampas ito ng 1 year, hindi na po ito covered ng warranty. So isang number 1 tip ko na huwag niyong kalilimutan yung hanggang kailan ang covered ng warranty ng item na binili natin. Kapag nasira naman po yung mga IT gadgets natin after warranty period, dalhin nyo lang po dito sa bodega site. Titingnan natin kung may magagawa pa tayo, kung pwedeng i-repair or pwedeng i-upgrade lang natin yung mga parts na pwedeng palitan. At dito sa bodega site, kahit hindi dito binili, dalhin nyo lang sa amin, hanggat maaari gagawan namin ang solution para sa inyo.
With a growing number of branches, both company-owned and franchised, you can be assured that there will be a bodega site near you to help you with all your IT needs.
Also, when it comes to my computers, cell phones, and cameras, I only purchase and have them serviced at the most professional, most affordable, and the most trustworthy sites.
But most importantly, when it comes to business, I only go for the Philippines, the best IT provider franchise business today.
Our clients may have one-of-a-kind experience in purchasing their computers, cameras, cell phones, and consumer electronics by having quality products, lowest price, and a great customer service. Bodega Site franchising is unique because we don't have franchise fee, royalty fee, and a guaranteed return on investment that makes a happy Bodega Site franchise.
Be part of it. Grab it. Be the first one in your area to have it. Call our franchise hotline today.